Okay, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna start with this rolling thing again. Let's go. 1 and 1. 10, 11, 2, 11, 3, 12, 4, 14, 4, 15, 5, 16, 6, 17, 18, 6, 18. Oh no! 6, 18. This one's gonna be a steal. 6, uh, um, 25, 26, 6, 26, 7, 27, 7, 27, 8, 29, 9, 31, 10, 32. Now that's not normal. That's quite a few. Okay, here's 100, which is much easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 to 31. That's not normal. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again. This is not normal. So that's 8 on one roll. 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 10, 4, 11, 5, 12, 6, 13, 7, 14, 7, 15, 8, 15, sorry, 9, 16, sorry, 9, 16, 10, 17. So see, I got stuck on that one number for a couple of rows. It's 16 or 17 that time. See, so it's not always 31. That 31 was really rare. I've done that a few times though. So I'm hesitant to say it's worth it, but I've hit that 5 times within 200 spins, 5 times just now. And normally you get about 1 out of 100. Let's try one more 100 and see what happens. Okay, this one has 1, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 this time. Another one. This one. Magic toy. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 21. So 21, so it's more than the 16. So a lot of times I'll get like even 14 out of doing it one at a time out of 100. It's just, I think it's just all random. So I got a couple 21s. It seems like it evens out after time. So, anyway, that's my report on doing it solo, 10 or more, versus 100 more. So, thanks. This is Kevin. Bye.